How to fix message blocked in Gmail. If you guys didn't know, Gmail also has a chat section where you can message your colleagues and your chat mates. So if you got blocked in that or you cannot access the message section, here is what you can do to fix it. So the first thing you want to do is not to open the Gmail app, but you can just scroll down your phone and go to your settings. Once you open your settings menu, just scroll down until you see your app vault or your app section and scroll down to find your Gmail app right here. Once you do that, you have to go to the permissions and make sure all of these permissions are turned on because the app requires these permissions to function smoothly. So just make sure that your permissions are turned on. And once you do that, go to your battery uses and make sure that it's on optimized and not unrestricted because it will restrict a few activities on the app that will cause battery to drain more. So just make sure it's on optimized. It's both for best for both your app and your phone. And once you do that, just go to your storage section and clear cache. You can also try to clear data once and it will completely refresh the app. Then you try to log back into your account and see if that works. These should fix your problem and you should be able to use your message section on Gmail as well. If you found the video helpful, head down below and hit the like button. Also, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on the bell icon to not miss out on new videos. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.